Hey everybody, and welcome to another HOWTECH video tutorial. In this video we're going to show you how to take a screenshot on an Android phone or tablet. Now there's a couple different ways we can do this. There are two different ways actually. The first method is to hold down the down volume button and the lock screen button at the same time. And sometimes this will work depending on the version of your Android phone, and sometimes this won't. If it does not work for you, I want you to try to hold down the home screen button and the lock screen button at the same time, and that should take a screenshot if the first did not work. So you can go ahead and you can check the versions of your phone if you want. You can compare them, but I think the easiest method is just to test these two different methods and see which one works, and then just remember that and keep doing it that way. So now you'll see that we have our little screenshot. We can tap to view it over here, and it's just the exact screen that we took a picture of. We can share it, we can edit it or delete it, and you can also see it in your gallery as well, all the different screenshots you've taken, or videos. In this case I'm screen recording, that doesn't have anything to do with this, but here is our screenshot right in our gallery. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and make sure to press the bell button to be the first to know about our new videos.